We're kicking things off with full power. One of the girls lifts the sword and instantly transforms into a superhero ready for action. And just when you think you've seen it all, here comes the second one. Flash, power, and that, oh yeah, this is gonna be good kind of moment. Stick around, the best part is coming up. All right, time to get to work. We grab a wooden fruit crate board and shape it however we can. No stress. A few cuts, a few tweaks, and boom! Something like this. Simple, rough, and perfect to keep the magic going.
Let's keep going. Here are the two freshly printed halves of the pommel. And before we move on, we clean off every little bit of excess material and supports. A bit of patience, and it's all neat and ready for the next step.
Now comes the big moment. We slide the blade into the pommel nice and snug. Then, using a screw, we mark the exact spot on the wood, just like you see in the video. That way, everything lines up perfectly later. Simple and precise. All right, marks in place. Now we grab a screwdriver or a drill and make the holes a bit wider than the screw. Why? So the wood doesn't crack when we put everything together. A simple step, but super important for a clean, solid build. All right, time for the moment we've been waiting for. We place the pommel on the board, and here we go. Time to screw everything together. A few turns, nice and tight, and the sword finally starts taking shape for real. That's the best part. Time for the details, because that's what makes everything special. My daughter asked for a musical symbol, so here it is. Small, simple, but it gives the sword its own personality. A little touch that makes it truly unique. And now, to wrap it all up, we place the gem at the end of the pommel. It's a faceted piece I designed that looks just like a ruby. It adds shine, presence, and that's it. The sword is complete. Looks awesome! All right, mission accomplished. The sword turned out awesome and the girls are super happy. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. There's always something new coming up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.